quick recap here, we're going to keep a close eye on the DXY. The DXY seems to be topping out there, so it's on the left side of the screen right now. It seems to be topping out and then going to be looking to pull back a bit and likely find some support here on the support lines, turn those into support. They had previously been resistance, so do an SR flip, which is going to be confirmation for us that the DXY is going to run further up. If we do get that confirmation, that should spell a bearish sentiment for us in the stock markets and in the crypto markets. However, we are also observing in the stock markets this cup and handle pattern, which is a very bullish indication. So that's also on the weekly chart. So again, basically what we're seeing there is if we get this play out, then it'll be likely that the DXY fails to flip the resistance into support. It probably will push further down again, and then the equity markets will run and have quite a long runway. So if that happens, I would say the recession is more or less canceled, and we actually will have achieved the soft landing that Jerome Powell has promised us. But I'm a little hesitant to call that the case until we actually get the breakout of the cup and handle channel there. And once we do get that breakout, then it will be, a different story, a lot more confidence, a lot more confirmation from that. So we're definitely watching that closely as well. And then, of course, in crypto, the big news this past week has been, anticipation and excitement around ETFs entering the market. So we showed off a few of the existing ETFs already. There's also great ETFs recently hitting the market in Europe. So all of that is to say that there's a decent amount of new investment vehicles now hitting the markets that are opening up the doors to institutional money that maybe has been sitting on the sidelines of these crypto markets and hasn't really had the opportunity to enter those markets. And that, on a more personal note to you, maybe personally, that would include IRA account money or, potentially hedge fund money, for example, people who manage these huge capital positions aren't allowed to do whatever the hell they want. There's rules and you have to invest into regulated vehicles. So getting an approved ETF actually is a big deal, even though, me and you might be like, I don't care, I can just go buy Bitcoin whenever I want. Yes, you can, but the majority of the money in the market cannot. So having those, coming online here is a big deal.